For me, it's all about the learning. We're so busy always looking at our own data, our own reality, so coming here, it's just great to see different perspectives and learn from different people, so that's why I'm here.
So what I hope from this conference is to get a lot of insights, ideas, tools, new pricing strategies which fit better our business challenges of today, to maintain or to improve our sales margins, of course, our profitability and our customer centricity.